Let's check the power settings. All 4 adjustment screws are in place. That's gear 1, the highest power setting. This time, the base material for our nailing test is a rectangular wood block. Next time, let's test it on a steel plate. As you can see, the power is quite strong. Now let's remove 1 screw, keep 3 screws, and adjust it to gear 2. The power is still good. Let's remove the second screw, keep the screws, then adjust it to gear 3. Now let's remove another screw, keep 1 screw, then adjust it to gear 4. Finally, remove the last screw, leaving none, and adjust it to gear 5, the lowest power setting. Now let's test it on the same rectangular wood block. As you can see, the depth the nail drives in is different for each gear. That's the difference between the power settings.